Jack is in all of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. This is Jack. He is in all of my videos that I post, and today he is really going to be the star of the show because today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a dog toy. So I'm pretty sure Jack loves his new toy. So we are going to show you guys how to make that. It is so easy to make. It only took me a few minutes. And I love to make just simple tutorials for you guys. I love DIY things and videos. So if you're into DIY and sewing videos, that is what I upload every single week. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So I'm going to be using this adorable tie-dye dog print. And I got this print from Joann, and it's a flannel material. I got half a yard, and I'm going to be using this dog toy from Dollar Tree as my guide. So now what I'm going to do is place my fabric right sides together and use my dog toy as a guide. Now I'm going to use some chalk and draw where the bone is so I'll know where to cut.
She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tell you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up.
Now pin your fabric together.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN.
Now sew it together. Make sure you leave an open space at the end so that way you can turn it inside out.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my.
This next part you will need stuffing and a squeaker if you wish. Now turn your toy inside out.
Take that high road and hop in.
Put the squeaker and the stuffing inside the toy.
Open up, open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open.
Now for the open space, what I'm going to do is fold the fabric inside, pin it together, and then sew it.
Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Yay! I'm pretty sure Jack loves his new toy, so he is very excited about it. Please don't forget to comment on this video. Let me know if you make this for your pets. Let me know if you have made toys for your pets, and stay tuned for more DIY and sewing tutorials every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching.